Daddy and MITO'S.
Yes, kids, welcome on you. Today, we prepare a new activity for you. It's called...
It's jelly stuffing.
It's jelly soft-drink. So, today, we need this materials. What are these materials? We need this, of course, we need soft drinks. We need a bowl, spatula, jelly powder, water, funnel, pan,
Coke.
and sort of gas stove. Let's pretend this is a gas stove, okay?
Coke.
Of course, we need a Coke. So, what's the first step?
First step, you
What?
have to put
No.
this jelly powder.
Well, we need to pour this Coke first. We need to boil this Coke. Hey,
Mito.
kind of tight. Hey,
Ah.
we need to... Let's pretend that this is a stove. We turn off the stove and then we pour this Coke on a pan. Then let it boil. As we wait, you prepare this mixture. There. We need to mix this
Put it here.
jelly powder. Yes.
Put it all. Put it all. I put a little bit of water for me.
let's
See the
put a
marking?
lot of water. Then you mix it.
It's this enough.
Mix it
Wait.
thoroughly.
Kids,
And
I'm
then
mixing the powder.
pretending that this Coke is almost come to a boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And then when it reaches the boiling point, we need to add this mixture. Yes.
It's done.
We need this mixture. We pour it. Just slowly. Kids, you need to ask your
Parents
parents
to help.
Yes, to help and to do this for you since it's kinda dangerous.
Yes, it's kind of dangerous.
Yes.
And we're gonna put this
Later,
on this Coke.
unboiling, turn off the stove and let it cool for at least 30 minutes.
Do this.
Then,
Do this. With mom.
after 30 minutes, when we cool off, we need to pour this Coke jelly powder carefully. And you hold this panel. You pour it. Just like that. Okay. That's it, kid.
Get it out.
And then you place it in a
Fridge.
fridge and let it cool off.
For 10 seconds.
No, not 10 seconds. So 30 minutes to an hour. Place it in a fridge. This one, place it in a fridge. And after 1 hour, you produce this
Jelly
jelly
Coke.
Coke. And let's see. Let's see this jelly Coke. You need to cut this portion, the middle portion, with a sharp cutter. This one.
And we eat it.
Later,
And we cut it.
remove this
Label.
label. And then after, you see this finished product. See? Oh, let's see. Let's see. It's convincing. Yes. See this? Kid? This is the middle portion. Ready pre-cut for you.
Let's see what happens when you get
Let's
it out.
see what happened. Then we need to squeeze it out.
We squeeze it out.
Just careful.
Don't break it.
Don't break it.
Let's do the others.
Hey.
Let's do the others. I got one out.
Let's see. It's almost done.
It's almost out.
Yeah, it's almost out. Just
I'm
be
like, get
careful.
rid of the top right here.
It will look like that. So where's the cover of the oil?
Ooh.
You place it.
Put it back.
Put it back. To complete the trio. We have Royal to Orange. Sprite. Hey, kind of tight.
And Coke. And Jelly Coke. Let me
Jelly
eat
Coke.
I want to eat the Jelly Coke.
Hey, what happened?
What happened? It's
We need
stuck.
to... I think
Stop.
we need to cut this. Or
Squeeze it out.
squeeze it out.
I want to squeeze it out.
Wait. We need a scissor, I think. Can I have a
Yes.
scissor, please? Scissor. Please, we need a scissor.
I'm gonna get the scissor.
No. Boss, need a scissor. Please help us.
Boss, we need
Kinda
a
tight.
scissor.
So we need a scissor. Yes. It's a little bit.
Let me get rid of the other
Yes, we
one.
need the scissor. Cut this.
And put this out. Get
Oh, this is
this
it.
thing out.
No, don't remove the cover.
Cut into the cover. Yes, that's it. Then we need to place this label to make it look like a
Real Coke.
real Coke.
Hey!
Hey, look. Then where's the cover? Give me the cover. We need the cover.
Here's the cover.
There's the cover of Royal to Orange.
Oh, jelly.
Wait. Don't look. Remove it. So this is the
Coke.
Coca-Cola.
Hey, I want to cut it.
Later. See? See, kids? That's it.
Here's the
The
Coca-Cola.
finished product. We have a Royal to Orange jelly, Sprite jelly, and then we have this Coca-Cola jelly. You want to cut it?
Yes, I want to cut it. I want to cut the Coca-Cola.
Okay. Let's see.
That's mine. I want the Coca-Cola.
Be careful.
Because lights are really dangerous.
Oh. Be careful. Oh. That's it. Looks like a jelly, no?
Ah,
No. This one. You cut this Royal to Orange. This one. You cut this
oh, it's right.
here. Yes. It's a jelly, kid. Look. What about this Sprite? Yes. It's Sprite. Don't eat it.
Wait, I want to eat it.
Pinch it first.
I want to eat.
You need to pinch it first. Later. Okay? See?
Yes.
See?
I want to take the top.
Wait. Oh. Enjoy it?
Yes. Get her this thing. No.
No, remove the label. Oh, see? That's a jelly soft drinks. Made,
And get out.
specially made for you. Oh, see? That's it. So
Is
that's
it?
how you do it, kids.
Bye-bye.
You need to
Kids.
ask your parents to
Kids.
do it for you.
Kids.
So it's bye-bye time on you.
Kids. When you're so fun inside
Yes.
please watch
It's
our
bye-bye
video
time.
and subscribe.
Bye,
Please don't forget
kids.
to watch our video.
Of course. Bye.